Custom-built one-owner home. First time offered for sale. Dramatic floor plan boasting soaring ceilings, hardwood flooring, floor-to-ceiling windows. Formal living room leads to light and open kitchen that joins the family room with wood-burning fireplace and dining room with plenty of natural daylight capturing woodland views through floor-to-ceiling windows. First floor master bedroom suite, second bedroom, powder room and laundry room complete the main living level that offers radiant heat flooring. Second level offers 2 spacious bedrooms with a Jack and Jill full bath. Finished basement with game room and separate theater room. Charming front covered wrap-around porch. Paver patio with fire pit overlooking the scenic landscape of total privacy of this 5-acre property. Oversized 2-car heated garage with 10 feet ceiling and additional second floor storage area. Additional parking pad 20 by 30 for guest cottage or additional garage. Minutes to hiking/biking trails along the path and fish at nearby Raritan River. Visit several area golf courses and state parks. Visit charming downtown Califon with restaurants and shops. Quick access to major RT78 and NJ Transit.